We have chicory, or it's also called Sycorium intiubus. I like that name. It has edible leaves, roots, and flowers, and its benefits are that it creates and helps contain insulin. It's got probiotic fibers, and it also has healthy bacteria for your gut. So you can always just chew the flowers. You can actually cook the roots like potatoes, which is pretty awesome. And the roots can also be ground up as a coffee substitute, and can also be boiled like veggies too. The roots. So there's a lot of different options there. Chicory. It's got a cool look at it. It's awesome.